Hi guys, good afternoon. It's currently 12:59. Just gonna show you that. 12:59 in the afternoon of Monday afternoon. And a few hours around before my shift. But last week I showed you na I've been reading Six of Crows, but I DNF it mid of the week and I start reading Iron Flame. Kudos to my Vips. So now I'm contemplating to start Onyx Storm. Because we all know it's not yet finished and I'm not usually reading series na hindi pa tapos. But this time, I pulled my pants up. So I'm contemplating to read this. But this week is a bit busy, I would say. Medyo busy siya. And a lot of things sa work na kailangan kong gawin. Okay, since today is Monday, I'm gonna plan out my week. But first, let's unwrap this package of mine. Kasi mag-Halloween ako with friends. And we decided to do like a unified, pero parang pare-pareho kami ng, ano ba, ng theme of what we will wear. And we choose Sailor Moon. So I need to check the size first para mapatali ko siya. Because we will be going on the 31. But I'm going to do the two-tone. So, it's XL in size. So fun naman. But, I think hindi siya kasha. But this is the XL size. Oh, hindi siya stretchy. Like that. It's kasha. Siyempre, ice white chocolate matcha upgraded to oatmeal. Sa pick up coffee na lang yung drink ko. Because I don't want to drink coffee, baka mag-palpitate ako. So, ice matcha it is. It's like a sweet little treat before work or while working if you have like a huge chunk of work to do. Kasi this week is like the full translation of me technically working, not talaga handling meetings, trainings to individuals about the app. And then I think I also have like a one-on-one meeting this week with my manager. So, and I also need to finish one of our enablement. So, there's like a huge amount of work talaga this week. Of course, I'm gonna vlog this. Look at that baby. How can mommy work, my love, if you're so cute? Mamaya, you kick everything, ha? This is the defeated pace. Pace! Tapos na English. Oh my goodness, gulay guys. Back-to-back meetings. Tapos na matcha ko. Tapos na water ko. Tumayo ako for 30 minutes sa isang client. And then, for all of the meetings, nakupo ako. Nasira ang Zoom. Nasira ang email. And then, nasira ang note-taker ko. So, what an eventful day. And what a day to experience yon lahat nang meron akong back-to-back-to-back calls and meetings. Sobrang stressful. Ang issue ko ngayon is yung gawa ng summarization kasi wala akong note-taker. Wala akong yung Zoom ko. Sobrang lag and sobrang tagal nung wrap-up kasi this is a run session, guys. So, feel free to skip it at minute, I don't know. I'll just point it here. But yeah, grabe talaga, uy. But anyways, at least everything is completed. This is my lunch time. 6:57. Late na ako, guys. Dapat 6:45 yan. Late na ako nag-lunch. Ay, nag-wrap up pa ako. But, I'll eat lunch. And then, let's figure things out. But yeah. Ayan, go na! Yan, this is our, monthly
Parang
catch up.
monthly na.
Yeah, dati weekly kami, ngayon monthly na lang. Life happens. So may monthly
Life happens.
sanity check-in. May sanity pa ba?
Brain rot.
Brain rot. So yan. Hi! She's my online friend kasi never pa kami nag-meet.
Yo,
So
never.
pag kinatfish niya ako guys,
Grabe siya. What if
what if? May pa what if pa? Yeah, bye-bye ka na, bye-bye. Bye-bye vlog. Good morning, everyone. So, happy Tuesday. And we will cook some breakfast today. Kaka-grocery lang namin ng weekend. And this is my favorite corned beef. Pure Foods corned beef. Nilalagay lang ako ng onion, half lang. boyfriend's mom. She knows that I love colorful plates, I love nice cups, and so binigyan niya ako. Ay, binigyan niya ako nito na. Look, it's a chicken bowl. Super cute, right? Yeah, so dito sa binigyan ni Tita. I like it a little bit crunchy. Kind of not cold. So, I will remove my corned beef bowl. So my boyfriend bought me this because I like suha. This is Davao suha. So yummy. Yung suha ng Davao, ang sarap talaga. Kakaiba siya. Hindi siya mabait, hindi siya maasim. Yung kasi ayaw namin sa suha sa Manila, mabait minsan pag bumibili ka. My rice, 1 cup of rice, my corned beef and my pomelo. So we're going to eat healthy. Yes, beef salsa sa egg ko. Wala kasi kami natural. So we bought this lang sa... See you in a bit! Pagod na ako, beef! Tuesday pa lang pero feeling ko Friday na. Pero ubus na yung matcha ko. Ganyan kadami yung matcha ko for today. Because may back-to-back meron tayo. Ubus laway ko. It's 6:17. A few more minutes before my lunch break. But I'm going to do some little bit of admin work before eating dinner. Happy hump day! Oh my gulay talaga guys. So I woke up with pain sa pisngi ko. Kasi, masakit ito kahapon pa, tsaka ng isang araw. Pero kahapon, kanina, madaling araw ko lang na-realize na tumutubo ang wisdom tooth ko. And, kaya pala sobrang sakit ng left and right ko kasi magkasunod silang tumubo. And hindi pa tapos to, yung right side. Yung left side ko, ganun pa lang yung pisngi ko. Ang sakit-sakit ng pisngi ko as in super awi. But then, this is kinda expected because nung high school ako, my dentist noticed na based sa x-ray ko, my wisdom tooth ay impacted. So, to compensate, nagtanggal siya ng two sa taas na mga ngipin para hindi masira yung inayos namin na alignment ng ngipin ko. But of course, if there's pain, I should remove it. So, I'm still trying to cure yung sugat. Dito kasi, gumaling siya because of Bactidol. So, nag-Bactidol ako and chef's kiss, hindi na siya namaga. It's clean and all. But, ito naman ngayon yung masakit. And wala na akong Bactidol. So, bibili pa kami ng Bactidol. Anyways, today is Wednesday. Hump day sa work, of course. But, focus ako ngayon async work. Doon, meron akong malaking matcha. This is homemade matcha. Made by me. So, gutom na ako. And, gusto ko sana kumain ng masarap na ulam with yummy rice. Pero hindi pa kaya eh. So, ito na. Go! Pepper chicken. Wow. Chicken and egg ko. So lamig. This is go. Should be. I really love this. This is their chicken and fries. Para bukas order kami ng chicken and chicken pops. Very, work from home heavy yung vlog ko kasi nasa luteal phase ako. So, kung yung last week is very active era, this week very luteal phase. But I'll come back stronger next week. Pero meron naman akong pilates sa Friday, so I think it could help din. Pero yun nga. Happy Thursday. So, I'm eating my breakfast. So for today's agenda, we have 2 meetings and I need to finish one of our training tasks today. So I really need to finish that. This is really good. My ulam is from Chiquitita. This is their teriyaki shots. And then I also bought their chicken, salted egg naman. Then, due to my wisdom tooth, I'm eating hot pot. So, let's do some skincare. Ginamos na ako. Now, nag-toner na rin ako. Now, let's use this Standard Soul Bouncy Serum Firming. So, sabi nila, you need to shake it before using para maghalo yung two formula because the pink one is the oil. So, let's use it. This is my first time trying it. So, 1 week tayo magte-test out nito. If this is really for me. Ooh, look at that. Super shimmery. So, I really like this kasi nung nakita ko siya habang in-apply siya ng mga influencers or basically si Hazel King, you notice that it's really ano sa kanya talaga. Like it's gel type. I love gel type na skincare kasi I really love this. This is something that I'm so excited to try and pair it here. Standard Soul. Yun lang. I'm going to work na. Siyempre skincare lang kasi meeting tayo. So, oh, we promise. Excited ako mga itsura ko after a week. I'm gonna show it to you. Today is Thursday, October 29. So, November ka na nakikita tayo. See you in a bit. Cuties! Grabe, super kapoy as in. Like, sobrang nanginig yung legs ko. And, nandito ako sa CR. Shower room to. And, hindi naman ako magsha-shower, pero I'll change clothes and mag-relax muna ako kasi sobrang stressful. Alright, bye.